Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है. Easy to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये challenge आपके stamina को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा. Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके. ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है आर्म सर्कल्स. इसकी हम करेंगे 8 repetitions in one direction and 8 in the opposite while keeping your back and arms straight. So take a deep breath in as you lift your arms up. Breathe out as you bring them down. Let's change your side. Up next, guys, is our upward arm stretch. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up, bringing your palms together. Breathe out as you relax. 8 repetitions again. And relax. Up next, guys, is dynamic side dips. Go ahead and lift your arms up overhead, bend at the elbows and holding on to each other and dip on the side. And relax. Up next, guys, is our wrist flexion and extension. Extend your arms straight out in front of you, drop them down and up. Coming up next, guys, is a few neck movements, starting with neck left to right. And relax. Coming up next, guys, is head tilts. and relax. Finally guys, head nods. Take a deep breath in as you lift your head up. Breathe out as you tuck your chin toward your chest. And relax. Coming up next guys is sitting alternate toe taps. Remember to keep your back straight as you perform this movement, 8 repetitions on each side. And relax. Coming up next guys is double knee tucks. Go ahead and put your hands right next to your hip, back straight. Without leaning back, pull both your knees up toward the chest. And relax. Coming up next guys is double leg extensions. Same position, hands right next to your hip, upper body straight, spine erect, and keep your knees stable as you perform this movement. Stretch your legs straight out until your legs are parallel to the ground. And relax. Up next guys is straight leg lift. Go ahead and stretch both your legs straight down, hands on the side, and keeping your knee locked, lift the leg up. And relax. Finally guys, toe pull ins to extensions. Stretch your legs straight out. Pull the toes in and push them down. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements. I hope that you all are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always repeat some of these exercises one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है गरुदासन, also known as the eagle pose. इसे हम करेंगे both on the right leg and on the left leg. Since balancing is a little bit of an issue in this, so you can always go ahead and hold a wall or a chair to support your body. Let's start with balancing on the right leg, lifting your left leg up. Same with the arms, and hold. relax. Repeating on the other side, balancing on the left leg now. And hold. And relax. हमारा अगला आसन है भ्रमणासन और द टेबल पोज। इसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ऑन योर नीज, स्लाइटली अपार्ट। ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स डाउन। योर रिस्ट इज अंडरनीथ योर शोल्डर, योर नी इज अंडरनीथ योर हिप। बैक न्यूट्रल, neck neutral, and hold. Relax. एक बार फिर से होल्ड करेंगे द टेबल पोज। एंड रिलैक्स। आज का हमारा अगला आसन है सुप्त कोणासन, ऑल्सो नोन एज सुपाइन बटरफ्लाई। एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स, इसे हम करेंगे इन द सुपाइन पोजिशन ऑन योर बैक। lie down on your back. Bring your feet together, soles of the feet touching each other, opening your knees nice and wide, pushing them down towards the ground, and hold. Relax. एक बार फिर से रिपीट करेंगे supine butterfly. Feet together, knees open, pushing your knees down towards the ground and hold. Relax. Finally guys, आज का हमारा आखिरी आसन है फलकासन, also known as the low plank pose. Starting on all fours, bringing your elbows down, extending your legs, keeping your hip low, back straight, tailbone tucked in. Relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की योगा एक्सरसाइजेस। अब हम करेंगे कुछ प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइजेस टू इम्प्रूव योर ब्रीदिंग। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है पर्स्ड लिप ब्रीदिंग। इसमें आप सांस अंदर भरेंगे थ्रू द नोज, डीप ब्रेथ इन, सांस को बाहर छोड़ेंगे थ्रू द माउथ, पर्सिंग योर लिप्स टुगेदर। इसे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 मिनट्स तक। and relax. So guys, हमारी next exercise है deep breathing. As the name suggests, इसमें हम deep inhalation करेंगे through the nose, exhalation also through the nose. So deep inhalation, deeper exhalation, both through the nose. इसे आप practice कर सकते हैं 2 to 4 minutes तक. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So do take it easy, give your body a chance to rest and heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!